Morning students, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 21, that is our community life unity in diversity. Before to start, let me introduce the topics. Dear students, man is called a social animal. Man cannot live without a society or a community. The society provides security and support to everyone. It is due to human nature and our necessity that we enjoy living in a society. Their requirements are different from one another. In this video, we will study about community and interdependence, such as community, the family, the school, the neighborhood, economic development, cultural development. Diversity in India, our rural community, our urban community. Let us further move with community and interdependence. Dear students, the community in which we live comprises of the family, the school, and the neighborhood. The families living close to one another in a particular area form our neighborhood. Living together helps in solving various kinds of problems by mutual give and take. A group of neighborhoods comprise a village or a city. Many villages and cities together form a community. Community, the family. The family is the first and the smallest unit of the community. The family is also called our first school. Community, the school. Another integral part of our community life is school. It is not only imparts education but also trains us in the art of community living. Community, the neighborhood. Everything that surrounds us, whether living and non-living, is a part and parcel of our neighborhood. Community, economic development. Early man used to do all his jobs himself because he lived alone. When he started leading a settled life, different people started doing different jobs. Now let us discuss diversity in India. India is a large country extended from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Arunachal to Ankleshwar. Variety of climatic conditions, soils, irrigation methods, cultural and religious backgrounds symbolize diversity in various fields. Unity in diversity. The richness of Indian traditions lies in the belief that all cultures are equal. We Indians feel proud of our rich cultural heritage. Our respect and faith in this cultural diversity has kept India united and integrated. We Indians experience linguistic diversity, religious diversity, regional diversity, and cultural diversity. Next is our rural community. India is mainly a land of villages. Two-thirds parts of the population of our country lives in a village. These villages represent our rural community. Most of the rural population depends upon agriculture as their means of livelihood. Rural areas are separately settled places away from the influence of large cities and towns. Such areas are distinct from more intensively settled urban and suburban areas and also from unsettled lands or wilderness such as forest. Next, urban community. First of all, we have to know what is urban. No definition of urban places has been universally adopted by national governments. No international definition has been agreed. Census nationally decided urban criteria is not fully available, making difficult to develop uniform standard. Life in towns and cities is comparatively smooth and comfortable due to the industrialization. Job opportunities in cities have increased considerably. The basic amenities like drinking water, electricity, dispensaries and hospitals, schools and colleges, availability of goods of daily requirement, food, textiles, hardware, etc., are available in abundance. This has attracted the people from rural areas to come and settle in cities. That's all from this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.